Bruh.
I feel awful funny. Me too. I feel kind of sick.
that a joint?
Bruh. Bruh.
Hey, Dan and Melissa, thanks so much for 2420. Holy crap. Good to see y'all. How would you use peoples? Alright, it's time. Hey traders, welcome to the stream. Oh my god, live a little early for a milestone, right? For another thing that's insane that's been happening, right? I feel like I can't even keep up with the absolute absurdity of this market now. How long we had to wait for this absurdity. It was too dang long, but now everything is getting too dang high, where Ethereum has just moments ago achieved a price of $1,000 across all exchanges. As you can see right here, starting the stream with ETH, Vitalik. He's been pumping some iron, man. All right. Hold on. Try this out for a second. I don't know. A little bit faster pace, a little bit different genre. I don't know. It might crash and burn, but whatever. Yeah, we just won't keep it very loud. Okay, so Bitcoin hasn't done really anything but sell off since we last spoke, but last night we were at all-time highs. We were just a couple $100 away from $35,000, but if you look at Bitcoin dominance chart, you can kind of understand what's going on, all right? Bitcoin dominance was at like a major resistance, we all knew, like that zone of resistance. And what happened? Major reversal there, right? 72, 73%, look left. Right, just the zone of resistance. Not a joke. Not a joke. Even congestion over here, June of 2017. So, big bearish engulfing candle. And that's what happens, Larry. It's kind of showing you altcoins, what they're doing today. This is like somehow like it's not extremely reliable. It's not like, okay, if Bitcoin's at this resistance on Bitcoin dominance, that means all in on altcoins or something, right? I mean, it doesn't necessarily mean that, but it's pretty cool to see how it works, right?
Bro, I slayed it swapping my BTC for ETH under 700.
Bryce, fantastic, man. Yeah, it was a snoozer for a long time, man. Underperformed the living crap out of Bitcoin, but we made it, man. Patience was the name of the game on this one. That's all I could tell you, right? As long as you remember the easy to size up risk, anything above 715 or whatever, you're safe, you're fine. And look what happened if one was just patient. Look where it went, $1,000. And what's the next target? I mean, above $1,000, you can break that. Well, let me pull up the daily. I've got the Fibonacci on the other one. And look what happened when we broke out of that crazy channel, too. It's just gorgeous. So nice, man. High to low, you got Fibonacci. That's it, dude. Let's see. 786 next target after 1,000, which is $1,133. I don't know. There's a swing high here. There's definitely a swing high at right around 1226. So that's your next real target, I think. I don't know. I mean, the fact that we're above this high on the daily is extremely good. Now, you could always up thrust, and you don't want to get a close, I believe, below 977 now, because you can clearly see that's discernible on the daily. Could be a potential reversal area. So between 977 and the psychological 1,000, you'd think it's a zone of resistance where if you break it, much higher prices are in store for Ethereum. But if not, could find its way all the way back down to $800 for a back test. Because when we broke $800, there was no back. There was just straight line up. So eventually, if you can't find the bids to get you to the next levels, eventually you would consolidate, and maybe if things didn't go well for Bitcoin, right, and the whole market pulled back, you might revisit 800 for a back test. That's it. So, okay. So, thanks again, Dan and Melissa. Oh my God, what's up, Ralph? Dude, y'all. Ralph V, thanks so much for joining the Patreon just moments ago. Hype in the freaking chat, dude. I got.
Is that a joint?
And thanks for like the 10 patrons who joined between last night's stream and now.
Bruh.
Thank all of you. Currently sitting at, every time a new patron joins, it's just an all-time high. We're at 741 patrons, chat. Ethereum's up 28%. VeChain's up 25%. It was up 30%. Link's up 14%. Bitcoin Cash up 16%. You got altcoins running like crazy today. Okay. And all right, so will Bitcoin dominance be able to hold above 70%, or is this altcoin party going to continue while Bitcoin stalls out? 1 hour, 3 minutes till your weekly candle close. And remember, if you are just, let's say you didn't tune in last night to witness some insanity and price action on Bitcoin, just know what's up. Bitcoin has legit surpassed Alibaba in total market cap, and the next asset that's in Bitcoin's scope or crosshairs is Tesla itself, the meme master Elon. All right, not too far off. Bitcoin would have to be going to $36,000, $37,000 to be surpassing Tesla. It's not too far off, but still many billions. All right, unreal. For $1,000, dude. I got nothing to say to you besides congratulations. If you were patient, the patient man, woman, or alien won. All right. VeChain. 2.6 cents, man. Talking getting near all-time high levels. I mean, you're at your highest level. I mean, you hit the peak, right? July 2018, third target. Eventually, you got there. Incredible. Look at the volume signature on the breakout. It's gorgeous, dude. So you ever break 2.6, 2.8 cents, you get in price discovery mode on VeChain. I mean, like, oh God, it's incredible, dude. I love VeChain, how it like got back above that 200-day moving average right there. Very, very good. But this is like, we're looking at something that has been plotted and charted for months now, right? Yeah, I mean, Vet Moonboy showed up to the stream like November 4th. He hung out for a little while. He hadn't really been back but a couple times since. Maybe he was warning us, letting us know what was going on. I mean, the bottom, dude, was just one simple back test of the old range. Pretty much for the first time ever. And it's beautiful, dude. Okay, VeChain. Litecoin's up 14%. Let's look at Litecoin. It's great, man. Once you broke 137, this is the price action we knew that could happen. If you ever broke 137, 146, you think eventually 172 is coming. All right, because you just got that 145 peak from June of 2019, and the next target against the 170s. So, and it all started with what? A shark. Yep, a shark, dude. The legendary bullish shark going in the Hall of Fame with the Bitcoin Gartley from 2018, man. Or really, it's early 2019. What's that, Bryce? I don't know, man. Remember the whole S-coins I never heard of?
Speculation on RSI listing on Coinbase. Based on TA, think there could be a serious pump still? Price discovery? Love your streams. For when we want to take profits, is there a best way to change crypto back into fiat in your opinion?
Well, you're gonna have to pay fees. You're gonna have to pay taxes. So, turning it back into fiat, I mean, wouldn't you be... I don't understand the question, because you're like trading an asset to the US dollar, right? And then it goes into the US dollar from when you trade, right? When you finish the trade up, when you're taking profits, right? I mean, if you're talking about Bitcoin pair trading, I don't even know how you're making money, really, right? Thank you, dude. But once you sell your position, you go back into fiat if you're doing US dollar pair trading. Okay. So Arthur, I don't know, man. You know how we are about the whole S-coin thing. Dude, I don't know. It's not price discovery. It hasn't even broken all-time high as at 3.8 cents. Sorry, dude. Not yet. Yeah, maybe if it does that, sure, maybe. So what happened, man? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Huh, I guess if you want to, for jokes, here's XRP. No one's buying it. No one cares. It's at stable coin, I guess, at 20 cents. Great. Nothing to see here, dude. Nothing. Alright. That's as much time we're spending on it. Yeah, Link up 13%. Hey, man, knew it. Like, if you held above 1122, you had the daily bullish divergence. The last time we looked at this, either it was yesterday or the day before. I don't know. One of the past 3 streams I've done, we looked at Link, and it was like if you stayed above the 200-day moving average and 1122 long enough, you were going to rally. You were going to catch some bids, and you knew what. Remember, if the TA was respected, impending price action reversal to the upside was being implied on a daily time scale. You're getting that. So whatever, man. Whatever. You're above 1333. Okay, well, we'll probably see you around 1571 in time if this altcoin rally continues. S-coin rally continues. Whatever. That's it. Beautiful. TA being respected. Wow. Go figure. Is anyone tired of the TA being respected so much?
TA respected.
I don't know if y'all can hear that. I can't hear it. Let's see what total turned into. Total market. So at the high point, total got all the way up to 921 billion, by far the highest levels we've ever seen. And I'm talking, it doesn't matter what website you use, what aggregate, what S coins from 2017, 2018, it doesn't matter. Now there is no doubt, and you gotta believe that we're so close now. 922 billion at the highest point. When are we getting to a trillion market cap? How will we add an alert here? Because it's coming, dude. I mean, at this point, why is it not going to hit $1 trillion market cap? Okay, we got an alert set up at $1 trillion total market cap, at least here. All right.
Will you look at stake?
Check in the description below. There's $10 minimum for trash coins. Really, really trash coins. Thanks, dude. It's not my fault. You can blame the people that have been exploiting that. Okay. So what you want to do, I'll look at total 2 now, because I'm sure that one's been looking amazing after what happened today. Oh my God, yeah. So total 2 had that channel, right? It didn't look good, then it started looking good again when it got back above the heart line, even back test the heart line, then it hit the supply line one more time and then broke it. And then ran up to 272 billion, which is like support resistance up here. Right, 2 different peaks, one level where traders set it up February 2018, one May of 2018. You're seeing that zone of resistance. You ever break that? I mean, I would assume maybe 323 billion, and then after that, forget about it, After that, you're like 422 billion.
Is that a joint?
Total 2 doing things, man. Bitcoin pulling back 33,072. Looked like it was about to bullishly engulf, but showing a little bit of weakness going into the last 60 minutes of trading for the week. Or weekly candle, anyway. I mean, the market's 24/7. You know what I mean, though. What about Georgia? What are you talking about? When do you want me getting
Didn't see the 10 minutes. Stake, please.
Thanks, Joe. You're good, man. Steak. Someone asked me last night, what do I think about steak? I never think about it, but I did look at it once. And it is at a very low risk, high reward opportunity area. I mean, this is like Gartley-esque, Gartley-Bat-esque, deep retrace XABCD, holding support for now, right? Like, this is a little low here. 751. It looks okay. Look, a bullish hammer. I mean, whatever. It is a bullish hammer. Undeniable.
You should write a book.
I should write a book? On what? Should I write a book on, dude? Thanks, man. It definitely looks like it might be turning into a potential major double bottom here, right? This is a daily time scale. This is not a joke. And not really much help on the oscillators here. mean, one low and then this exact same low. Hold on. I mean, it definitely looks maybe like you could be diverging here. Alright, just still low. The exact same low, higher levels, roll strength. You're losing your negative momentum. This could be ready. Stake coin. Target up there at 25.87 eventually. Yeah, you heard me right. That's crazy, isn't it? 50% retrace. Who cares? I mean, that's it. Like, so, one bottom, two bottoms here, maybe. Discernible peak, discernible valleys, bullish hammer, ice line, maybe solar exhaustion. Not bad, dude. Definitely got a chance here. It's up 10% today. Woo. But just imagine if this mega pattern actually played out. So you think about one bottom. Okay, no one knows at that point, right? But the second bottom's the confirmation bottom, where people do know now. Ah, this is the bottom. That's what's maybe being implied here, okay? So I do like stake. Despite its very little data, I'm doing all I can to apply traditional technical analysis to a quite untraditional market. Keep your eye out for stake, okay, chat? I've got to do it, you know, it's like... I'm standing outside of stake the US dollar tether, and it looks actually okay, and looks like it's a low risk, high reward opportunity area. That's certain, okay? We're playing a game of probabilities here, but it is certain that at these levels, it is very easy to manage risk.
The question is, if Bitcoin dumps, will the dominance shift to all coins and cause a bigger pump? Or will the whole market
no idea.
dump?
No idea. That's like Crypto Pepe Sylvia Varese. I don't know. Like, it's almost always
Underneath
different.
the charts, written by Ray, distributed by Brad Fisher Productions, inspired by Benji Nissen. I'd obviously expect at least 0.001% commission for the initial idea. Playful face.
Dude, no one's gonna want to read my book. I'm just some random guy from Alabama who likes charts. I don't. What are my credentials, dude? Like, oh, you know, like, no one cares. No one's gonna care. All right. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, Benji. But, you know, I'm not this guy from Harvard, or I'm not this macro guy that knows Warren Buffett. And all. I'm just not. I'm just a guy who turned on a webcam, microphone, and look at charts. Okay, that's me. That's all I am. All right. It's not gonna. I mean, that's it. So extremely easy to manage your risk on stake, dude. All right, where pretty tight stop. You know, why would you? I don't know why you'd want anything to do with stake below the 750, 670 area. You know, and so it's like duh. Kind of undeniable exactly where you just. All right, you give it a little leeway for scan wicks and stuff with a bullish hammer there. All the ice line. I mean, minimum target 2159 on stake. All right, that's how we would look at it. Hey, I'll get a new patron. Theodore H, let's go, dude. Thanks so much for joining the freaking Patreon. All-time highs every time now. Let's go, dude. Boom. Please be sure to sing on the Patreon to the Discord, man, alright?
Bruh.
If we were just going to continue with like targets and stuff, pretty simple. So what was it? Control. Someone was saying something about control shift. Yeah, dude, that's game changing. All right, education for you're playing this and you're trying to get multiple targets. When you click and you duplicate, control click. You want to do control shift click while you're doing it, and it'll keep all the targets the same. That's amazing. I didn't even know that till recently. So 50%. Control shift click. That's gonna save me so much time, man. And then you can just rainbow out 1, 2, 3. I don't know. I'll say rainbow because of the colors of the Fibonacci. I say it's the rainbow. Oh, the 382, the 50%, the 618. Anyway, so yeah, that's a great way to size it up right here. Stake down at low risk areas. Who knows? Let's go, dude.
Peace.
What's up, Dow Jones? Thanks, man. I think I already talked about it though. I think stake was already like, maybe it wasn't sized up this officially though. It's a good one, man. Harmonic pattern, technical indicator, and chart pattern, right? All right. Yeah, very little resistance on Ethereum. I mean, $1,000 is a big one. That's a huge one. But you break it, it's just going to keep going. Man, the fact is, Ethereum's up 27+%.
Regarding the book, it's the younger generations that are following you that will buy the book. This is just the beginning for you. Know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I think it's arrogant to say it's just the beginning. Who knows, right? I just live one day at a time, and you know, just keep doing the same thing, man. Just keep trying to help people, and everything else. Everything's been working out, you know. The universe is like, yep, you're doing the right thing. Just keep doing your thing, and it just keeps getting better. All right. Thanks, man. EB. Yeah, these coins are paying off, right? So Bitcoin coming back a little bit, you know, just a bit. 46 minutes till your day to close. I went live a little early. I've already been live about 30 minutes now, so. Thanks for the 1,824 people tuned in. If you're enjoying the Ethereum insanity, sorry, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Be sure to join the Discord if you haven't. We got over 10,000 members and we're growing like crazy, even more, right? You got a link here. Let's see. There's the link. Also, it's third of the month, right? So third best day to join the Patreon. I know we got so many patrons, but it's still like such a good area of value to join the Patreon. You know, like in terms of time in the month, 3 days. That's it. 742 patrons strong. And thanks for the follows on Twitter. Appreciate that. Okay, so Link looking great. Anything above 1333 is bullish to me. That's me though. Someone else could be something else. But the fact that, man, that the strongest form of bullish divergence existed on Link's daily time scale at a 200 moving average at somewhat a critical congestion area support. It's very good. All right, see you at 1650, and then if you're lucky, 1918. If this Bitcoin dominance continues to reverse the downside, you got some shorts getting liquidated on Bitcoin. Of course, that's the story of shorts lives lately. They're getting liquidated, man. Right, I mean, yeah, pretty decent pullback from the highs, right? What did we get last night? It was $34,810. It's beautiful. So the weekly candle that's going to be closing soon. Right here. RSI chat is at multi-year highs. We're talking currently at 93.43. Haven't seen those levels since September of 2013, I believe, sometime in 2013. And guess what? In 2013, it didn't stop at 93.5 or whatever. It went all the way up to 99.5 or something stupid. So just gotta wonder what's happening here. I mean, you're above the highest levels that you ever saw in 2017 by far now, right? Look, this was the first pump in 2017, and then the last pump, right? That was December 2017, right? You got as high as 90 a couple times. That was it. So this is staggering. People are scared, really scared of this. All right, freaked out. Cryptomania. Just so we look at it real quick, just so you can see it. You know, if you're like, what's he talking about? 99.5. I don't believe him, right?
Like Shaq dating a midget, shorts get wrecked.
Thanks, Green Third Eye, for the 2420.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, dude. Good to see you made it. You said you might have had a couple drinks last night. Well, happens to the best of us, right? So let me okay, alright. Wait a second. That seems off. Hold on, let me... thought it went higher than this. Okay, alright, yeah. Alright, I thought so. I'm like, the other chart at Bivanix didn't even have the data that I was looking for there. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. The weekly RSI on Bitcoin in March of 2013 hit a high of like 99 point, let's see. I think it's 99.5. FM radio. Yeah, whatever, dude. 99.4, sorry. Yeah, 99.4. And then, again, I mean, it went up to 96.4. So multiple times in that cycle. And look where we are right now, currently sitting at 93.4. So you still got a ways to go for the 2013 insanity, right? I mean, not a ways to go. You're not too far off, right? But you could imagine if we're going up 3 more points on the weekly RSI, that means Bitcoin has surpassed Elon Musk's Tesla in market cap for sure. Like, no doubt, man. So I think that's good enough for me, man. Drinking some coffee, man. Kind of been a blow day. Just been hanging out, dude. I got a lot of chores to do. I got some cleaning, and I gotta cook a bunch of food that will go bad. Because it's just like, you know, I mean, I'll do all these streams, and it's so easy to just order, you know, DoorDash or whatever, Uber Eats, instead of, you know, because it's like, you know, you stream so much, tired, you don't feel like cooking, you know, when you get done these marathon streams and stuff. So now I just got some groceries I gotta knock out. It'll be good. Anyway, 40 minutes till your weekly candle close, daily candle close. It will be a historic candle close on the daily. You know that, right? It'll be a weekly historic candle close as well, right? I mean, we've never seen levels this high, not on the weekly or the daily.
Huge runaway gap on BTC futures again, second weekend in a row. Your thoughts, Mitch?
Dude, it's absurd. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, futures are back open. Duh. It's been a minute, man. We got all screwed up because of the holidays and stuff. Yeah, here's your breakaway insane gap. You know, 33,725 currently. All-time high is 33,930. And, you know, you closed the week at 29,243. So yeah, no, I don't know. Like, what can you say about it besides pure insanity? Pure insanity. I think the biggest question is, will we see 35,000 to test it? Because that's the big psychological resistance. We're so close to it. You think we would? Hey, stock futures are normal, right? Normal stock futures. Meh. Remember the traditional markets? Pathetic. Oh yeah, NASDAQ futures up 0.02%, chat. Wow. What a boomer market. Just kidding. Literally kidding about that, man. Like someone's up 5.74%.
No hurry, Mitch. Give me PLS. Take a look at XLM.
No hurry. Fine. Hurrying really fast. It showed hidden bearish diversion reversed, but now it caught a bid. It's making higher low, so we actually, maybe it's a double bottom here. Not really much of an edge on the oscillators, really. It's almost like you could try to say classic bullish divergence with that one histogram island, right? But it didn't look good when we showed the bearish divergence, right? but now it doesn't look as bad because it's now showing one bottom, a second bottom. We just talked about on stake, confirmation bottoms, and now you're butting up against resistance again. So this actually kind of looks, that's what it is, man. I mean, that's TA. We take it at face value at the current time, and if we get new levels of data, things change real fast, right? Bitcoin at 17,730 the first time didn't look that great. But then when we tested it again and showed bullish divergence, my whole tune changed. It looks really good now. Great area to manage risk, 17,730, right? So, I mean, same thing. Like, it didn't look that, I mean, it's okay, but man, that's not good. Now it's okay. Bullish engulfing candle. All right, well, if it was going to break to the upside, break above 13.5 cents, I mean, if you're talking about targeting 15.5 cents and 16.7 cents, that's the Gartley targets. Those are the peaks. That's how Casey Stubbs targets, right? So that's all I could tell you is if this one bottom and then the second bottom holds and we break this resistance, you're going to 15.5, 16.69 cents. That's it, dude. Okay. All right. Did something just happen? I think it did, man. Oh my God. Matt D. I thought it said, wow, we have another Matt D. It's Matt D, not Matthew D, but we already have another Matthew D. Welcome to the Matt D Club. Thank you, dude, for joining the Patreon. Welcome. Hype in the friggin' chat. Records being broken every time. Kingsman. Please be sure to sing with the Patreon, to the Discord. Awesome. Guess what? You thought it was over? You were wrong. JC, thank you so much for joining the effing Patreon. Unbelievable, dude.
I have some evidence. Manbear Pig put me in this area.
Thank you, dude. Wow. Both of y'all. Incredible. So we've had 4 people that have joined the Patreon since I went live. So thanks for that. Goodness. Currently at 744 patrons. Price discovery. Never seen these levels before. It's like Bitcoin. We already looked at VeChain. Correct. Sandman, me too. Me too. Getting a little worried.
Mitch, what do you call a cow with only 2 legs? Lean beef. Lol.
Nice one, Varize, dude. Nice one. Very good. Chad, you like that?
Bruh.
Lean beef. I wish I knew more corny jokes, dad jokes. I just don't, man. Okay, now it is time. So the future's climbing, man. They're climbing right now, 33,845. Who knows what's going to happen here with this insanity? I don't know. Look, there's, oh my God, a cow in the chat. Wow. You rang? You mooed? Moo. Moo moo. That reminds me of Diablo 2, playing the cow level. Y'all remember that chat? Some of y'all? Why does the Little Mermaid wear seashells? Mr. Peabody, I know you're a pretty smart guy, but why did you say wear that way? Come on, dude. You trying to trigger me?
How about them Patreon insider trades? Ada and Dot. But gold they aren't done yet either.
Oh, what's up, Silent Man? Hey, yeah. Thank you, dude. It's not insider. We're just reading the charts, dude. Right? He said she grew out of her B cells. Gosh dang it, Adam, man! Are you just trolling me with your grammatical errors on purpose? Thank you, dude. She wore the seashells because she grew out of her B shells. Okay. Anyway, yeah, XLM's okay, man. It wasn't great. Now it's a little bit interesting again, all right? Where you could see 15.5, 16.69 cents. Awesome.
It's China to me. China.
Hey Mitch, please take a look at LRC Loopring THX.
Hey, Zaw, please take a look at the description below.
Story
Thank you.
their dad jokes. And a database. Drum.
Nice one, dude. In the dat base. That's awful. B-Slice. B-Slice probably made that up himself because he is a dad. Look at this B-Slice. All-time highs as I'm speaking and breathing to you, I guess, right? Whatever. 33,990. We've never seen future prices this high, man.
Knock knock. Who is there? Harry. Harry who? Harry up, it is cold outside. Cheers. Meetup point is Cambodia. Father-in-law is a senator. Got the hook. Dad jokes.
Meetup is in Cambodia. Yeah, I don't know, man. Maybe. Father-in-law's a senator. Alright, what does that mean? We get away? We get to break all the rules? What does it mean if your dad's a senator? Well, if your father-in-law's a senator, what preferential treatment do we get for visiting? To incentivize us to have the meetup down there in Cambodia. Thanks, dude. Alright, $34,000. First time in history. Right now, we just hit all-time highs again. That is a chart to watch, man. It's almost like we're reliving the pump we were seeing last night. I love it, man. What? Yeah, VeChain killing it, man. It's up 31.43%. Yeah, and it went up and hit like near the
I got
1272.
one more joke. Why do cows have hooves? Because they're lactose. Ha ha ha.
Bruh.
Not funny, dude. Not funny. Shouldn't be laughing that much at that. Good God, thanks, dude.
What's the difference between kinky and perverted? Kinky is when you use a feather. Perverted is when you use a whole chicken. Smiley face.
Oh, alright, we'll leave that one to you, Ralph.
No problem.
I guess that's from
Mitch.
experience,
Please
maybe.
take a look at LRC Loopring. Looks like great project that will work well with Ethereum. Lots of upside. 300 million market cap.
I think that's what they were saying about Loopring back in 2017. Good. Well, what's up? I mean, gotta friggin', oh man. I mean, there wasn't any data, but dang, at this point, it's kind of hard to tell. It almost might have been impossible to tell. But look at this on the weekly. This I just had the weekly up. So starting this way, look at Loopring, like a low, and then like a higher low. And look at the hidden bullish divergence on a very significant time scale. Interesting. Look at this. It's pumping so hard as I'm speaking to you. Wow. Look at this thing. It's up 66 points. What is going on? Pump it, dude. Yeah, you're about to get the highest candle close ever on this chart. Ever. Look at that, man. They don't think there's one on the weekly. So it's like an XABCD stuff. You're on the last wave right now. Okay, so a higher low.
Want to hear a COVID joke? You probably won't get it. Smiley face.
What's up, Bryce, man? I mean, I haven't yet, but I know people that have gotten it. So maybe that's just because they get jokes better than me. Thank you, dude. Thanks for everyone breaking the jar. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash, no resistance really till $500. So one bottom, second bottom's higher than the next one. So I mean, you think like for real, like you end up breaking all-time highs. You got targets up there at one, like this zone up here 36 cents to 42.8 cents if this insanity continues. But wow, man. I mean, if an asset's up 50 to 60% in a day, it's certainly not the time to be buying. All right.
Could we take a look at NVDA? Thanks as always, Mitch.
Sure. I'm gonna be sad when I'm looking at it though. I'm gonna cry when I do the analysis. I'm gonna cry. Okay, I'm just gonna refresh the cache because it's just terrible now.
Why do Bitcoiners want a Lambo? BC Ferrari's owned by Fiat.
Yeah, I've heard that one before, Charizard. Get wrecked, dude. Get wrecked. Thank you for the 5. So this is like hanging on by its chinny chin chin. Now I'll tell you this, something that has now developed on both oscillators on the 4 hour. It's our last hope, okay? This is our Obi-Wan Kenobi on NVIDIA. Obi-Wan Kenobi before we roll over. Before the Empire wins. Classic bullish divergence at a demand line. That's it. It's our last chance, dude. It's either now or screwed.
Why is the ocean mad at the land? Because the land never waves back. Crying face.
Why is it so loud? Hold on. Why is my music so loud? It shouldn't be this loud. Holy crap, chat. Less than 100 subs away before 41,000. Are you kidding me, dude? Yeah, dude. 86 subs away from 41K. Unreal. Thank y'all. So NVIDIA, it's the Jim Carrey, right? So you're saying there's a chance. This is your last one, man. So praying for, maybe eventually NVIDIA's like, hey, wait a second, we're the ones that make all this mining possible, and then it bounces. Like, remember 2017, NVIDIA killed it. I mean, it went insane with Bitcoin and crypto. So not this time around, not even close. But you just gotta think, hey, man, nice markup, lots of consolidation. This is it, ascending triangle. You hold here, a lot of upside, right? Ton of upside. All right, there's your NVIDIA. Pray for it. BNB's up 8%+ plus 9%.
Mitch, are you doing things? Can you check out Data Connect? You to Jesus.
Yeah, Cardano. Yeah, 17%. Well, it's broken the resistance. It's on its way. 23 cents. See you there. I mean, it was just a rectangle, right? A range, and the size of the range. You had broken it. You ran up to a resistance looking left. You pulled back. You flagged, and then you back tested kind of the top as support. Silver. Oh my. Yeah. Who was crying about silver because it had pulled back a little bit? Holy crap, dude. We're going, chat. We're freaking going. All right, here's your silver. Break, hook, and go confirmed last week. Yes, break, hook, and go. And then a back test again, and now look at you. Look at you, silver. All right, a lot of space to run. But yeah, it's not Ethereum or Litecoin, so screw it, dude. No, silver has been looking great technically. We'll see you at possibly higher levels. Okay, bull run, consolidated for like 4 months, double bottomed, and here we are, confirmed double bottom, breakout with confirmation, the strongest form of confirmation that exists on a significant time scale. What more could you ask for? That's it, dude. That make me quite happy in pants. All right, 20 more minutes to your daily, weekly close. Bitcoin's continued to recover a little bit. How much? Thanks for the 2,345 people tuned in. Hope y'all are having a wonderful weekend. I hope you're, normally I'm like right now saying, hey, hopefully you've done the right things, whether you've recharged your batteries or you've calibrated or you've reorganized whatever you need to for the week at hand, you know, with whatever your job is, your life is. But my God, it's so hard to do that with these crypto gains. I mean, our lives are changing. I mean, until the rug gets pulled and it's all over, but this is almost miraculous. We're watching like this fiat or this monetary revolution unfold before our eyes. It's happening in real time on a chart.
1 second from your time to check S coin GRT.
World of Wonders, please be sure to read the description below. Thanks so much. Thanks for the 5. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash. Yes, that was pinged patrons about. I don't know if I pinged them, but I definitely posted in the charts only section. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash, $500 target. And so this is it, man. Like above 353, 334. It's nothing. See 500.
/ stock are in your long-term portfolio.
What's up, dude? Digital.
How much love your S coin approach? Respect. Now let's check swap. Trust swap to let you sleep better. LOL greets from Amsterdam.
Would looking at swap make me sleep better? I'm not sure that's real news. Thank you, dude. I mean, it pumped already. Yep, it was showing accumulations up 50% today. A lot of these small coins up 50%. Very nice. Look, man, I mean, you know, you made a low, you made a higher low. You showed bullish convergence. Right, we're a low, a higher low with lower levels negative momentum. Bullish convergence on the RSI. And you broke this little high right here. When you did that, you're off the races. Look, you've run up to where traders settled up on the daily, like the next level, September of this year. And then above that would be this another one at 101, and then above that, forget about it. That if you break 101, that's when you're going up to 157 and possibly $2.
We want the Hey Song, Mitch. Smiley face.
Sam, you want the Hey Song, but what will be the point of the Hey Song?
1,000.
Yeah, $998 right now. That's why I went live early. But yeah,
Can you
huge
check out
markup.
Canadian dollar on the NSDQ? Bitcoin miner company. Doge to the moon. Happy New Year. Cheers.
Yeah, can doing things. We'll look at it, J Mike's. Thanks, man. So that's it, dude. You're just at your next resistance. You back tested this as support, pretty nice. And 101's next, and if you break 101, 157. Okay, pretty simple on this chart. Just pay attention to, you know, consecutive higher lows. This is what can happen. All right, especially in these market conditions being so effing bullish. Let's see. Give me a second. But yeah, dude, Bitcoin Cash is up 20+% now. It's just been mooning.
Very happy and nervous at this high. GRT looked like a good spot to get back in or stay away because at 130.
So bright, beautiful father, man. Yeah, I gotta look at I think it was Can. Anything that's related to crypto and the stock market's gone. You know, it's just insane. Yep, Can, dude. It's crazy, crazy, crazy range. They hit the 1272. How about that? Oh man, it was so similar. Well, so Can, yeah, it had a range and it broke the upside. Look, you know, it went 100%, then 1272 from that high low, and then dumped deeply and looked a low, then the higher low. It looked very similar to like Theta kind of Bitcoin a little bit, where you sell off and then you make a high and then or a low, then a higher low, the accumulation after the first run up, and so now you're just running again. Who knows where you're going? Who knows where all these like Riot, Mara, Hive, Can, they're all going to gap up tomorrow most likely if things don't go insane, you know, for open. So you could be gapping up to like 715. It was up 35% on the last trading day. So when something's up like 30 to 50% or something, what can I even do? You know, just like this one. We're on these days where you're just getting huge pumps, but there, you know, we're looking before the pumps, right? That's what we're doing here. For instance, we were looking at Maker. Maker, come on. Ethereum's at $1,000 again, chat. Oh my God, let's move. Here it is.
Anything in charts implying etc. ramping up some.
We're pumping, dude. $1,007, highest levels in years. Vitalik Buterin, butter in my buterin. Okay. So next target was up. What was it now? Let's look at the other chart. $1,013 over here on Coinbase. Look at this. So the next target is $1,133 if this is to continue up. All right.
Hype in the chat.
About time, man. About time. The patient man wins on this one, right? We said anything above this resistance was good. Very easy to size up risk at these levels, right? You didn't want anything to do below 715. If you just held on to that, look where you are now, all right? Absolutely gorgeous. 1133 is the next target. Beautiful. Bitcoin's not doing much, right? So that means the Bitcoin dominance might be, and then all these other altcoins are kind of, Bitcoin Cash is at session highs right now, along with Ethereum. You got to think that maybe Litecoin is too. It sure is. Look at Litecoin, man. See at 172 on Litecoin. I mean, all the altcoins are pumping, and Bitcoin's doing nothing. Bitcoin dominance is dumping, bearish engulfing candle at a major resistance looking left. So it's kind of cool to see all that happen. Very, very good. Jumped across the creek. This market, the attendees runneth over. Thanks for the 2,551 people tuned in, or we're just watching. I wouldn't say history, because none of these altcoins are hitting all-time highs. None of them. I mean, besides the ones with barely any data, you know, like that just came out. But I'm talking about the kind of 2017 legacy coins. They haven't hit all-time highs. I mean, you still got a long way to go. Remember, Litecoin's like $420 or something, so way off. But yeah, I mean, you're talking Ethereum's up 30%, Litecoin's up pretty much 20%, Bitcoin Cash up 21%, Ethereum Classic is even up 15%. Altcoins catching so much love today. VeChain's up 34% right now. Mooning. I mean, you have double-digit green everywhere in percentages. All right, YFII, now it's not doing as great as these other ones, man, but I'm telling you, I was showing this to patrons earlier, so it was great. It was a great low risk, high reward opportunity, but now it's even better. It really is. And now it is exceptional because it's now showing it jumped across a creek, and it's now showing that Bulkowski pattern, and it's on the third valley showing hidden bullish divergence, and it's back above that critical support resistance from October. This has so much upside on it, chat. I just wish I could articulate it better to you. The upside, I mean, a target eventually, you're thinking like at least 2287, then 2570 again. Beautiful. This is what we look for over and over and over again. Assets just like what YFII is showing us, okay? So that means that this is probably pumping right now. Total 2. It's sketchy. I don't know. It's rallying back up. It hit a high earlier. Good God. Total 2 was at 277 billion. It's now sitting at 263 billion. And guess what? It's not even close. Look at Total 2. Look at that all-time high was $474 billion. That was when Bitcoin dominance was at like 35%, I believe. Not sure we'll be getting up there anytime soon, which would be fine because this is a different type of market environment conditions. Like the meta is different. It's Bitcoin's. You know, institutions are going into Bitcoin, not these altcoins, even with these pumps. So yeah, you're just in the zone. 253, 272. You break that, 323 would be next. All right. Very, very good. How are you not looking at Ethereum right now? Because I just looked at it like 10 seconds ago. I mean, and my alert went off and we went to it. And it's just like, dang, man. Not my fault you're late to the stream, you know. Looked at it like 5 times now. Putting that to the chat. Okay. So I just want to real quick, you know, I was rudely interrupted by Ethereum trying to look at Maker, you know. That, you know, it's only up 12%. Oh my god, why is this still here? I got rid of this literally yesterday. I don't know why it's still there. So, you hit your first target on Maker. Weekly hidden bullish divergence was extremely well developed, and here we are. We broke it. I mean, you've been stuck in this range, dude, since like August, September.
For all those in any idea where is the top?
Israel, we don't know, man. No one knows. No one will be here if we all knew the answer to that, alright? So, no one knows. So, again, I don't know why Maker would stop here. I think Maker would maybe stop at 736 at least, right? Though, you know, profit taking level was conservative. I think we're going to 736. We knew if you broke 600, next target was 736. Pretty easy. Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. That's pretty much all the history you have in this area. So, keep it going, Maker. Gotta love it, man. The spring, the back test of the spring, the little ascending triangle with the weekly combo was pretty nice. And that was like a trade setup for every single new patron. I mean, like, it's just like, keep posting trade stuff, just keep posting. It's like, it's not easy to like, oh, let me just, you know, keep making trade setups, you know. It's like, these market conditions are crazy, dude. It's almost like buy one of the blebs, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and you'd be up double-digit percentage points today. All right. YFI, not II, oops, is up 11.74%. Just kind of range bound. It's got a creek. You ever jump across the creek, you're going to go up 28,614, 32,000. Remember that time YFI was a higher price than Bitcoin? I remember, and now it's been left in the dust. I like YFI better than YFI currently. Just the technicals look a little bit better. It is a lovely day. Yeah, man. I mean, this is like, just please cherish this moment, alright? Take a deep breath, look back and be like, man, we do not get days like this almost ever, okay? Where like everything's pumping like this. And look at that, man. The Bittrex deplorables, Dash, Zcash, Monero, like just not doing well, and they're barely up, you know. Okay, Zcash up 4%, great. Monero's down 3%. Dash is only up 2.2%. That should show you, man. People just aren't messing with those coins. Alright, man, so pull them back again. We got less than 10 minutes, run out of the clock situation, okay? Bitcoin showing a little weakness. Hey, Lee S. Thank you so much, Lee S, for joining the Patreon. Welcome. Having the freaking chat. We got another one. We got another member growing the army.
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
Thank you, Lee. Please be sure to sync up the Patreon to the Discord. You know what to do. Okay, so now we're sitting currently at, we've done it 745 patrons history every time. And here is your futures, Bitcoin futures, bottom right of your screen. Pulling back some, obviously just Bitcoin spot pulling back a little bit. Oh yeah, that's right.
Can I get a look at Chainlink, Stellar, or EOS please? You choose which one.
Yeah, we've already looked at Link. We've already looked at Stellar. Yeah, I don't know. GRT looks like trash now. Like, it looked maybe okay before. I don't know. What do you want? Why do you even care about this crap, man? Like, what are you doing with your life caring about GRT? What was once support is now acting as resistance. Great, dude. Keep dumping. Keep dumping, dude. A lower high than the previous high after a huge run up. Great. Keep dumping, dude. See you down at lower levels. No edge at all. Doesn't look good. Based on technicals. And it's not good until it breaks back above 31.9 cents. Great. There you go. And not even a 78% retrace yet. No support resistance at the deep retraces either. So, cool. EOS, trash, up 6%. Cool. Bullish and golden candle happening. Yeah, if it breaks 282, it's probably going to 311. That's it. If it breaks 282, where it's butting up against right now, it would probably go to 311. That's it. So underperforming like everything. No edge, right? I mean, like, it's not showing anything currently at this time. I'm just saying it's all about the ifs, man. You break one area, you could run to the next one based on historical price action, right? Just think about it. Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, almost straight down, straight up, almost completely straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. Look, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. If you break it, probably going to do what you've done every single time almost in history, straight up to 311. That's EOS. Okay. QQQ was showing some 4-hour bearish divergence, right? But it didn't care. Look, I mean, my God, like 3 level, the triple MACD bearish divergence on the 4-hour. But it engulfed. 4-hour engulfing. So, I mean, maybe it's like crypto. It's just so bullish, right? It consolidated for months, and it's at all-time highs, and could keep going. It's just got this consolidation structure here. No telling, man. Right, bullish conditions, as we've seen with Bitcoin, like bearish stuff, just isn't as reliable. Underperforms or just doesn't perform at all, right? Bitcoin 5 minutes, continuing to sell off 32,850. You might be red by the time we close.
Bank stocks looking sketchy. Would you mind taking a look at a potential bearish butterfly on Goldman Sachs? Geez, not at the PC said yet.
Sure, Grant. Thank you for the 25 super chat.
I'm the newbie who had a serious case of FOMO. Any speculation as to why ETH is taking off like this?
Yes, because it had broken critical resistance. It had formed a monthly double bottom 7-8 months ago, and if you watch the stream, none of this would be surprising to you. Like, none of it. Like, the only people that are surprised about Ethereum are noobs. Like, they're just entering the market because of the price action. They didn't care about technical analysis. They didn't care about investing in themselves and learning what is what is confirmation. Look down here. That was there forever. Okay, I'm here 7 days a week when we identified this, and we've been waiting and waiting and waiting every single day looking at this. Okay, it's this playing out. It's one low, a confirmation low, and look where it's gone now. So that's the reason why, because technical analysis is being effing respected like crazy. Okay, thank you. There was like 100% measure move was hit and exceeded. Right? You're above the 618 now. The next resistance on the monthly is 1103. Psychological resistance 1000. Perfect. This hasn't changed in a very, very long time. So invest in yourself. So the next time opportunity presents itself, you are prepared. So Goldman Sachs, question about a butterfly. How can it be a butterfly? Well, are you talking about here X, A, B, C, D, or here X, A, B, C? It almost looks like a bearish cipher is in the works or something. So Bitcoin just hit the red. We got 2 minutes, 30 something seconds. So weekly here. Let's just mess around and see what's up. Man, that's really deep. All right, 886. Then you got the 113%. Too that could act, right? That could be. I think you're talking about right here is probably the butterfly. So what about the 113% retrace?
How about some advice on learning TA principles/fundamentals? Like I said, I'm a newbie. Appreciate the feedback, bro.
We have in our Discord, we have educational resources, free. You know, it's an educational resources tab where you can pick up some books that we recommend. You buy, you read, you invest in yourself, and if you want to start learning the way that what I'm trying to teach, join the Patreon is a great way to do it. Right? I guarantee you, if someone joined the Patreon right now and they invested in themselves and took advantage of the educational materials and they asked questions and tried applying my teachings, their game would up. They would get better. Like they would have a better understanding of how to trade, how to size up a chart, how to manage risk, how to position size, and how to apply traditional technical analysis. It's charts for trading. So that's it. That's it, dude. Yeah, point X January. Yeah. So okay.
Yes, point X January 2020.
Not too far off. Butterfly, remember? Butterfly is the zone. It's in between the 1272, 1618. So all paths lead to either the 113% or the maybe a 1414 fib extension up there. That's still kind of the target, right? Either way. There you go, dude. So maybe 291 marks the spot. You're nearing all-time highs. You break 274. Yeah, that could be it, but man, I don't know. Like, yeah, that would be it. I mean, if you're talking about harmonic that you asked about, that's X marks the spot around $290 to $300 on Goldman Sachs. All right, cool. So Bitcoin, we now have a new weekly candle chat. Highest level of all time for Bitcoin for the weekly candle close. Highest of all time for the daily candle close. And not 4 hour. 4 hours last night. Here it is. Never seen prices close this high on Bitcoin ever, man. Ever. We did it. So altcoins caught some love, but now it's a new week. The week's over, so let's see what happens this week, man. All right, been live 1 hour and 15 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit the like button, that bell, that sub. You get it. You know the drill. Thanks for the 2,674 people tuned in. In seconds, if y'all want it, we get 1,000 likes. That's how many people are watching. It could be like 1,000 likes. So yeah, that's been the story. It's been Bitcoin started the weekend insanely, pumping, and then you've got the altcoins that ended really strong. So yeah, I mean, we're no man's landed. You know, there's no edge on Bitcoin for a trade or anything right now. Even though, recently there has been multiple times. Almost every consolidation structure we've had an edge, right? Classic bullish divergence down here, hidden bullish divergence up here, more hidden bullish divergence up here on the 4-hour, and now there's nothing. There's not enough data to even decree any sort of edge. So what can I do? If there's no edge, then that's it, dude. Okay, cool. Go flip a coin. It's going one way or another. No, I'm getting like really hungry. Gotta go cook this food. Wow, dude. Are you serious? We are 13 subscribers away on YouTube from 41,000, chat. That's easily obtainable.
Bruh.
So what a madman. Ethereum. Killed it. Absolutely killed it. There it is. Thank you all so much. 41,000 sub milestone achieved because of y'all. Thank you.
Yo, which been watching for a while. Turbo Man joined the Patreon the other night. Already made my monthly fee on your setups. Respect. Can you take a look at Nexo token? Gracias you bro. Turbo time.
Thank you, dude. Well, it had a nice run. Now it's just been consolidating. Thank you, dude. Almost looks like a cipher or something. But a really nice uptrend. Yeah, there's just not much you can do. It's not that much data. It already had a great run. It's an X, A, B, C, D. I mean, it's almost like a bearish cipher. But I get it. I mean, I understand. Like, oh, it's so bullish. Maybe it doesn't work out or something. But I'm seeing this. A little too deep there. But yeah, it's kind of like it's a bearish harmonic pattern. Could be just a bearish shark because of the... Yeah, that is a bearish shark pattern. So maybe it shows that bullish 5-0. It looks like it almost did. Almost did, man. Not quite. 50% retrace at 56.82 cents. If a bullish 5-0 is to play out, it would reverse and do that. That's... There you go. I don't know if that's going to happen. There's nothing implying on the oscillators that it's going to happen. So you normally at the 50% retrace want to stall there for a while and show an edge, like a hidden divergence or classic divergence. You don't really have that yet. So it looks okay, I guess. For now, right? If you got to break 75 cents, if you ever did, pretty easy to Fibonacci high to low for targets the upside. First target's 85 cents. Second target's 96 cents on Nexo. If this actually played out, which I don't know, right? This is also where reversals downside can happen. Okay. So it's already had a really nice run, so no value or anything really. Hey, J-Box, let's go, dude. Thanks so much, man, for joining the Patreon.
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
J-Box, my man. Please be sure to stay on the Patreon and the Discord. You know the drill. So currently sitting at 746 patrons. Every time a new patron joins, it's all-time highs. Is everyone freaking out, man? Freaking out about these gains? New link. Alright, here's the new Discord link. 10,000 members. Growing rapidly. Join it. It's where the conversation continues when this live stream ends. Everyone's freaking out. Sorry, kind of tired. I did get some pretty good sleep though, finally. Sorry, trying to keep up here. Boom. What are we at now? How many? $10,236 Discord members. Let's go, dude. Beautiful. Link already broke out technically. Anything above 1333 on Link is a breakout. Okay, so don't be fooled to think that it's not. So anytime the longer Link stays above 1333, the higher the probability chance becomes that you eventually see like 1647 or whatever again. So Derrick Henry 2,000 yards. What? In one game? Just kidding. 19 more likes till 19 more likes till 1,000 on YouTube chat. Y'all would do that in maybe not even a second, maybe a nanosecond. So, you know, I mean, whatever. A new week has begun. Altcoins, some of them are catching bids immediately. Some aren't. I'm telling you, chat. I lit the torch of Gondor maybe a week ago plus for YFII. Now it's even more intense. More intensely bullish. Where it's just hard to find, in this market conditions, it's tough finding something that looks so wonderful where you're applying traditional technical analysis. It's not a momentum trade where you're just banking on hidden divergence like Bitcoin, you know, the Christmas Eve trade, the one before that, where you're just like, man, we're just riding the wave. This one's more like, hey dude, we're in a traditional market, we're on Forex, or we're like on the stock market, and we're finding something that's gorgeous, low risk, high reward opportunity area with extreme amounts of upside. YFI, I can't articulate enough how good this looks. Dude, no one cares about GRT trash. It looks awful, technically. It looks like literal dog crap on the chart. GRT. No one cares. That's like one of the biggest shillers. Like, I think I've seen more people shilling GRT than anything. They're not even saying anything. They're saying, it's GRT. They're spamming the stupid ticker. I don't get it, man. $871 billion market cap for crypto right now. It's incredible, dude. Nah, Jackie, you're probably wrong. Who cares about XRP getting a big pop? Who gives a crap? That's so dilute. Like, people even saying that, it's just ridiculous. Where you look at these altcoins, double-digit gainers, just killing it all over the place. Bitcoin running up, you know, all just killing everything. And then you got XRP, people, delusional XRP people still just screaming about their trash. Who cares? chart I did this. Let's see. Oh, this is it. Yeah, they're like, hey, look at Algorand. Yeah, dude, Algorand. Solid chart, man. Still waiting on 49.72 cents as a trade setup. Still waiting for higher prices. I think you'll get it in time, assuming the market doesn't freak out. I mean, this is like, you know, what we look for, things like this. Daily, it looks better. Yeah, a little scam wick down there. Ooh. I mean, just it doesn't get much better than this, dude. Okay, algo. It was a specimen, right? We talked about bonsais and root flare, or what we'll call nabari. Talk about pruning, years of pruning. This is it, man. Algo was the TA specimen. Yeah, well, we're gonna start putting Doge in there with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Wow, Doge is wow, it went up to a 3618 fib extension, man. Wow, 1.399 pennies, and there's nothing really out there above that. I mean, it's like 1.6 cents. What's up, Ralph? Thanks, $5 super chat. Don't really care about the 60-minute chart. We've already looked at XLM. The 4-hour looked fine. It started looking good again.
Can you look at the 1A chart XLM/BTC chart? Looks like it is going to explode.
Oh, it looks good again. Yeah, it does. I mean, look, I love the daily oscillators here. Well, look at the MACD. You haven't seen positive momentum on XLM since December 3rd. You just bullishly engulfed confirmed, and you closed above that one of the critical support resistances, 13.5 cents. Yeah, dude. XLM's looking good again. All right. Target 15.5, 16.696 cents. All right. That's it. Yep. Bullish, textbook bullish Gartley going on. And at the PCZ of the bullish Gartley, you got one bottom. You got a second bottom. Understand? So confirmation low. Upside is, I would think, probably 17 cents, eventually. That's it. Beautiful. Do we even need to look at the 60 minute when it looks okay on the hourly? Or the 4 hour? It looks fine. It looks, look, it could go higher.
Sunday.
Yes.
Can you give any opinion on BTC when looking at the hourly or 15 minutes?
I mean, who cares about the 1 hour, dude? It's really just not. 4 hour minimum. I don't know, dude. Oh, look at Head and Shoulders, man. Really Quasimodo looking Head and Shoulders, dude. I don't know. I don't look for chart patterns on the 60 minute because of how unreliable they are. So I don't have an edge. There's no edge at all. None. Now, I mean, eventually maybe hidden bullish divergence on the RSI. But who knows when this is going to stop selling, okay? So it broke out and back tested the breakout and then ran again. Pretty good. I don't know. If I don't have an edge, I don't know. Good to see everyone. About 2,500 people tuned in. Thanks for the 1,070 likes. It's crazy how we could actually double that many likes if we wanted. Alright, been live an hour and a half. So be sure to, if you want to invest in yourself and you want to learn how to trade, and you want to be a part of one of the most active trading communities out there, and you want to support the stream and what all this is about, joining the Patreon is the single-handed best way to do that, where we do have 746 patrons strong now. And if you want to know if there's value involved with a Patreon, why don't you ask those 747 people, And the link is pinned above, patreon.com/MitchRayTA. Oh, sorry, 746, not 747. Thinking about an airplane, aren't I? Bob, I'll do what I want. Why don't you go ahead and get banned? Oh wait, you're banned. Thank you for getting banned. Yeah, dude. Some people are just so low IQ, man. It's kind of crazy. It boggles the mind, right? Anyway, you can say all you want. I'm winning at life, so get wrecked. Okay, man. What else do you want to look at? We looked at many different assets today. You know, I went live a little early so we could see Ethereum hit $1,000 a couple times, and now it's just hanging out at 976. Could very well go higher. Look at this, man. High volume on a major breakout. Your next target's like 1133. 1133 on Ethereum. Now you do have this one high here that you got to break, man. I mean, that's certainly real. 980. You could not close above that. Could you? Did you close above that? No, you closed like at it, like right at it. So you could consolidate here, or you could just blast through it. All right. This was it had hidden bullish divergence down here, and look what's manifested from it. Look at this bullish engulfing candle on the daily. Look at the follow through price action. It's incredible, man. It's absolutely incredible. I know, dude. It's like people spamming. Look at Doge. It's like I looked at it like 2 minutes ago. Yeah, you're gonna get that, man. You're gonna get pumps like this. You're gonna get really low IQ people that have never looked at crypto in their life. That don't know what they're doing. They don't care about what I'm trying to teach here. They only care about the hype, and they'll be gone forever when the hype's gone too. So it's just like we gotta deal with it, mods. We just gotta deal with that crap coming in, you know.
32 Ethereum are almost equals to 1 BTC in value USD. What if 32 ETH equals 1 BTC and a 32 to 1 ratio becomes standard? Makes sense to me, just food for thought.
Rob, I don't know, man. Yeah, 32 is like the amount you need to stake Ethereum or something. 32 Ethereum's almost 1 Bitcoin. I mean, it could be, but who knows, man, right? Bitcoin's kind of going green again. What's up, Daryl? Thank you for the 5 super chat. So, dude.
.6. Not great, not terrible.
Cold will look at visit. Thank you.
Verizon. Trying to get me off a grandfathered plan I've been in for like 12 years. Really annoying me. Yeah, big, very interesting chart where you've not been able to capture those all-time highs, but you're still making higher lows. As long as you make a higher low on the next pivot above $56, I think you're in really good shape. Even if you don't, yeah, you might come down to $54. This definitely looks like something that could be in a long-term hold portfolio, right? Where, I mean, there's downside. I mean, the lowest risk would probably be like 52.88 if you ever got down there again. It's a demand line that goes all the way back 2015, 2017, multiple times, and then 2020, right? Bounce off of it and making higher lows more locally. And there's a sell wall, certainly at 61.53. If you ever broke it, the target's 65.86. That hasn't changed, okay? So just make a higher low than your previous low. Almost had hidden bullish divergence, but that's okay. It's just bullish convergence. So you're losing your negative Momo. And if you pivot here, you're above the 200-day moving average, so that's healthy. Eventually, 61.53 would be the target. You break that, 65.86. Then after that, $70. Verizon would be a blue sky breakout. All right, you've been consolidating, kind of range bound for multiple years. You know, despite the COVID crash, this is a rectangle. It's like a bullish rectangle. If it broke out, here's another way to look at it, right? Just the size of the rectangle from the breakout. Put you Right there, right? The target right there, 68.80. All right, Verizon looking pretty freaking strong on the charts. Not bad, dude. Okay. There you go.
Mitch, could you take a look at District Docs? Not too familiar with TA, learning as much I can from the streams.
Looks good, actually. Again, somehow looks good again, right? ZRX. Trash. You know, it's just stuck. It's consolidating, dumping, scamming people out, then holding and sitting there. Bullish divergence of the daily. Kind of like Link. And it's starting to play out with higher prices, but it's not really, still stuck, man. It's got so much turbulence, right? There's so much resistance it has to break, but once it could get above 43 cents, it could be off to the races, man. All right, one bottom, now the second bottom is pretty decent. I mean, you can probably, I bet you could see that on the weekly. One bottom, a second bottom, so. There you go. Targets, if it held above this, you know, and it confirmed now, and it was gonna rally for real, I mean, targets between 55 cents and 70 cents. ZRX, it hasn't made a common retrace yet, not yet, so still waiting. I mean, that was like kind of the premise of the trade setup I did. I think it got chopped out or whatever, but it's still the same, right? Where if you're at these levels and you do bottom out eventually, we're looking for the common everyday retrace, and that's here, the golden zone. Pretty simple, all right? Can't remember what chart it is.
Can you take a look at Band? TA checks.
Yep, Band looks okay. Remember, it was the harmonic, and it's just been going sideways, and it's not over yet. Band isn't dead yet. Not yet. Not dead yet. Right? It's back above the 200-day moving average, making me feel a lot better about this. Once it breaks 751, Band is going to pump. All right? Once Band breaks 751, it's going up to $10.60 minimum. All right? You hear me? Band's an S coin that hit the PCZ of a very large harmonic, and since then it's just been consolidating sideways. I was getting a little worried about it yesterday, but as of today, it's got back above the 200-day moving average. That's kind of a Lipid's test. That's good. So you stay above that long enough. I think you're going to test 751. Once you break 751, man, you're going to 1060 plus. That's Band. It's at a lower risk, higher value area, right? Yeah. That's it. There's nothing more to talk about. 1060, 1230, then 1618 if you're lucky. All right? Okay, cool. Band. It's done. Yeah, Matthew D, we're going, man. We going, man. Oh, man. Bright, colorful father. Thank you so much for joining the Patreon. Let's go, dudes. All-time highs on Patreon continues. 747. We are an airplane. Augmented by Virgin Galactic. So it's a spaceship now. Thank you.
Thanks, Mitch. Can you please look at Aussie dollar to New Zealand dollar? Multi-year double bottom. Nice stream.
Interesting. Is that liquid? Oh man, it's so choppy. It's like Maker, you know? Makes me want to watch Lord of the Rings, dude. I don't know why. So choppy, dude. Yeah. Yeah, that's your range. I mean, that's the low, the initial low, and the high, and everything correlates beyond it. So yeah, bounced off of that pretty nice. It had some really nice triple MACD bullish divergence before it bounced. Bounce kind of happened. So that was probably your best there, man. This chop though, there's so many ways it gets like people. It's so tough to manage your risk here because like yeah, you'd think anything below 104.874, you want nothing to do with it. But my God, how many reversals we've gotten down at the lowest levels. So I mean, technically the lowest risk ever would be like one, right? $1 Australian dollar, whatever, New Zealand dollar denominator. So it being above this long enough, though, it could very well eventually find its way to 112.920 up here, top of the range. Yeah, but I don't really see anything that sticks out as crazy, like a Bulkowski structure or harmonic or anything. But yeah, stay above 104 long enough. I mean, you could find your way back to 112, but at the same time, there's so much chop, man. It's like how many times? Look how many times you reverse over and over and over, just slightly above where you are. It's just there are much better looking charts than this one. Okay, better looking charts, but bouncing off this low from January 2014. Don't think it's going anywhere crazy anytime soon. That's real, right? This is 6 years of data of just nothing burger, right? Just chop between 1.00 1.12. Okay.
Hi Mitch. Loving the stream.
IPO.
Can you take a quick look at PSTH, please?
Pershing Square. Not much to look at, man. Something with such little data like this. Is it an uptrend? Yeah, it's a nice uptrend. Good, that's great. Try to do what I can. There's your beautiful channel. Right, that's all it is. It just broke the heart line, so chances are the target will be like 29.37. Okay. That's all you can expect with such little data. What else do you want me to do? Right, look, I love the heartline respect. Look at this, right? For support, resistance. You broke the heartline, so that means you could very well see the top of the channel again at 29.46. That's it, dude. Boom, roasted. Okay, what's up, Rigel Forte? Thank you, man. The two. That's it, man. We did it. Did a pretty cool looking channel here. So well respected. Y'all running me. I feel like I'm running gassers, okay? I'm running gassers. Chart gassers.
Can you
we've looked at this one before.
Please?
Sure, I'll look at it again. Yeah, this one was great before. Just as good now. Here you go. Already charted, Garrett. Thank you so much for the 5. Inverse head and shoulders is beautiful. You got to break the neckline. You haven't broken the neckline yet. If you break it, first target's 43.24. Second target is the 100% measured move of the structure, 53.74. Boom, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. All right, Medallia, weekly chart. That's it, dude. You break it, you could be a king. If not, it's not an inverse head and shoulders. You have to break out of a neckline for it to be a confirmed inverse head and shoulders. That's it. Bueller, anything else? Any questions? I mean, it's done. I'm sorry that I've already charted it, right? I'm sorry that it's over. Okay. Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, XLM looks ready, man. Yep, ready to go. It didn't, but now it does. I feel better about it. I like it. If it does, you know, if Bitcoin doesn't crash and kill the altcoins, yeah, we'll put that XLM in charts only. Here you go. There you go. That was for someone requested that. That was Alex. There you go, dude.
Hi Mitch, could you look at Loopring please?
Remember that time you checked the description and read the rules? Thank you, dude. Long's getting liquidated, chat. Bitcoin's selling off 32,618. You have it. Momo about to go neutral and negative. Who knows, dude? There's no edge, so I don't know. No edge. Anyway, dude, I'm starting to really hungry, man. Selling off some more. New session lows, 32,540.
Weekly ETH. X, A, B, C, D pattern. Bear trap. Sell zone.
Could be. What's up, Anon? No, it's not deep enough, actually. What's up, Anon? Thank you for the $20 super sticker in the hippopotamus. The hippopotamus, it says victory. Thank you, dude. Victory. We did it, man. Did something just happen? Alright, man. What a good stream it's been. Sad to see the new week open with some selling on Bitcoin, but it's not many. Not all the altcoins are being affected negatively right now, so we'll see what happens. All right, man. If something nuts happens, I'll do what I can to be live again. You know, I'll be like on standby or whatever. But I do want to eat food. You know, that thing that you have to do to survive. I unfortunately have to cook it this evening, and I've got cleaning to do, and just got stuff I gotta do, man. All right, Sunday blues. So again, if you want to support the stream, join the Patreon's the best way to do it. You're curious about value. I mean, do you think there's like 747 patrons because there's no value in Patreon? I don't think so. So, all right, really appreciate all the likes, love, support, contributions. Bitcoin 32,460 and falling, but I mean, it falls all the time and it gets bought right back up. So let's see what happens, man. All right. I'll be back. Until next time, respect the T. Hey.
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
And then, just like that,
Adios, turd nuggets.